Claiming QR code rewards in Brawl Stars is a fun way to enhance your gaming experience. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you through the process. First, access the QR code. First, you'll need to find a valid QR code. These codes are often shared during special events, promotions, or by content creators. Make sure to get a code from a trustworthy source to avoid scams. Then, open Brawl Stars. Launch the Brawl Stars app on your device and ensure that you're logged in into your account, as rewards are tied to your player profile. Go to the settings menu, then select rewards. Within the settings, look for an option labeled rewards or redeem. This section is where you can input your QR code. Scan the QR code. If your device has a built-in QR scanner, use that to scan the code directly. Alternatively, you may need to enter the code manually if the scan feature isn't available. Then, confirm redemption. After scanning or entering the code, you'll see a confirmation prompt. Review the rewards, then confirm the redemption. By following these steps, you can easily claim QR code rewards in Brawl Stars and enjoy new characters, skin, or in-game currency. I hope this helped, and see you in another video. Bye bye!